Good morning, students. How are you all? So today we are going to see about community one topic, that is about clinic. You can get for university exam a question like organization of a camp or clinic in specific community area. In that way you can get a question. So in this class we'll see how to organize a clinic or a camp in the community setting. So clinic or a camp is a small private public health facility that is devoted to care of people often in the community, in contrast to large hospitals, because it is not possible, especially in the rural areas, to go to hospitals for each and every minor ailments. They like to prefer to go to some nearby dispensaries or health centers. If it is not being available in nearby distance, they feel they will go to quacks and get the health services. We can't say the assurance of the health services that is being provided by this quack. So we are not advising such kind of things. So instead of preventing all type of home remedies and going to the quacks and getting the health services which is not seems to be licensed, now we are preferring to have a clinic or camp in the remote area, so that more number of people health needs are being met. So main focus is community outpatient care and the location is in the rural areas. So what are the different types of clinic? Immunization clinic, antenatal clinic, postnatal clinic, adolescent clinic, sexual health clinic, fertility clinic, family planning clinics, NCD clinic and STD clinic, sexually transmitted disease. So these are the different types of clinics that is being organized and conducted in the rural areas. So how we can organize this? First step is schedule a date in conjunction with a local event. For example, school fair or Navaratri or any kind of Vijayadashmi or any kind of those diseases, those festivals, those or specific exhibitions or any kind of some events. So along with that event we are conducting this clinic or camp. Then only we will get the participants, because the public is not much motivated to come to these health clinics to get the health services. So where the public is getting gathered or assembled together for specific event, in that place if you are keeping a clinic or a camp, then they will feel that okay, let me go and see. In that way they will come and come for the checkup. So then only we can catch hold of the participants or the audience or the target people for the getting the health services. Second point is determine the clinic location, keep target audience in mind. So in that way we have to plan organization of the clinic along with some event or some festivals, and along with that you are keeping the clinic and always keep a target audience in your mind. For example, if you are planning to conduct an elderly clinic to check, or NCD clinic if you are planning to conduct, keeping in mind this group, and then you have to keep the volunteers outside the clinic, and you have to canvass and bring these people inside and get their normal blood profiles being checked. Contact your institution administration staff in the schools and institutions. So always get a help from nearby institutions, clubs or organizations to get support, so that they will be acting as a volunteers in getting the target audience for your camps. Contact a local healthy authority able to help or assist in providing 3 M's. What are the 3 M's? Mainly when we are conducting organization or organizing a clinic or camp, we need 3 M's, that is man, money and material. Only when we have these 3 things, 3 sources rich in our hand, then only we will be able to organize these programs well. So you can take a help from nearby organizations or clubs. They will provide or assist with 3 M's. Contact the non-governmental organization, help in transport, 3 M's, plan, organize and schedule. So as we told, the Rotary clubs, Lions club and other youth clubs will be there in nearby remote areas, especially in the local community where you are planning to conduct the clinics or camps. From that you can take a help for transportations or planning for organization, getting mic and other facilities, if you are planning to conduct a camp in that area, you have to tent. Suppose there is no buildings, then you have to put a tent for whatever you need, mic system, light arrangements, and a lot many things are needed. For all these things, you can get a help from these non-governmental organizations. Determine the staffing needs and even logistics. For example, arrangement of tables, screens, records, vaccine storage facilities. So whichever based on the type of clinic you are planning to conduct, accordingly you need the articles. So for all that, you have to make a plan, arrange the things well in advance. Schedule the volunteers, controllers, runners training in advance. So all the controllers, volunteers and runners must be trained in advance, because sometimes we can't control the audience getting inside the clinic, because sometimes many of people will get into the clinic. So we should not make overcrowded and get congested this situation. So always make volunteers ready to control, and in a systematic and organized way you have to set the camp, and accordingly you have to move the people. So for that, volunteers must be given prior itself the training. Assist the medical officer in conducting the clinic. So always so now let us see how to organize the physical setup. So this is previously we have seen about various steps regarding how to organize it, and in detail about these steps we will see one by one. First one is organization of physical setup. So as we told, we have seen a list of clinics. So based on the type of clinics and articles required for that, accordingly we have to arrange the equipments and materials, supervise the sterilization of the materials and equipments, arrange privacy when counseling and examination is there, display the educational material and aids. This is underline and right, because whichever clinic or camp you are planning to conduct, you are supposed to give a health education at the end of the session, or in the waiting area you are supposed to give the educations. So for that you have to hand the educational materials, IV aids, either one presenter you can keep to present the things in between. If they are having any queries, one presenter can be kept to clarify these doubts. Supervise maintenance of registers and records, teach and guide personals in the clinics, plan, conduct and supervise and evaluate health educations. And also if it is not being managed, or if it is diagnosed with some of the other factors in the blood profile, if need to be referred, you have to give the referral to nearby health centers and ask them to have the continuity in the services. Okay, so these are all about different types of clinics and how the services are being provided. Similar to that of a camp. The only difference between the clinic and camp is that camp is a general aspect, and many audience will be coming, and it will be kept in a general aspect. But clinic will be specified on specific aspect. And we have seen the examples like in the clinic, adolescent clinic, antenatal clinic, family planning clinic. In that way, target will be on a specific aspect, and accordingly we are doing the health services, whereas camp is little more broader and wider aspect. So conducting a health camp, these are the medical services provided by NGOs to introduce availability of reliable and quality medical services. Sometimes generally we say conducting of a health camp. So it include all the aspects like BMI, blood profile, lab investigation, urine investigations. In that way, all the general aspects are being checked and assessed. So in general aspect we can keep a health aspect, means all the target groups, all the vulnerable groups or all the age groups are involved, all types of basic parameters are being cross-checked and evaluated. Increasing community mobilization, winning confidence of the community by providing them health services and spreading news around about available medical services. For example, you have to invest little more money while conducting the health camp, because audience will be more, and you have to bring all the specialist doctors for conducting the health camp, and pharmacy and medical supply also should be the lab facilities, and like a mini hospital like way, all the services has to be set. So you need more money, and 3 M's will be little more. The resources needed are little more. So in that way you have to set the arrangement. So always see that once we are arranging in such a way that we need sufficient number of audience for the camp. For that you have to 1 month ahead or 2 months ahead itself we have to give advertisement, saying about the health camp that is planning to conduct. And reinforcement and motivation must be given with the help of local leaders and